Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your headphones Philips from your iPhone. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth. Now click the information icon near to your headphones at the device list. And right here in the third line we have a button what called disconnect, and you need to tap on it. But before I tap on it, I will tell you the difference between disconnect and unpair. So when you select disconnect and you tap on it, it will stop Bluetooth connection with your headphones, but it leaves it at the device list. And when you select to unpair it, it will totally remove your headphones from your phone. So now let's click at the disconnect, and as you can see we just stopped Bluetooth connection, so it's not connected with the phone, but we left it at the device list. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!